This is Dr. Srivatsa from CG Bhakta Institute of Biotechnology. I welcome you all for this valedictory session on workshop on recombinant DNA technology. This is the 10th session that Dr. Gopalji Gopal has successfully completed. So now we have here Dr. Professor Shailesh Dev sir and Professor A.R. Deshmukh sir and Professor Naresh Kumar sir as our guests. And so I would like to introduce you about our guest, Professor A.R. Deshmukh sir. He has started the Microbiologist Society, of India. He is very well known in the microbial field. He has completed many projects and he has many students under his credit. And we have Professor Shailesh Dev sir, who is a UGC Emeritus professor, and he has worked at the HOD at Gujarat University. Welcome, sir. And Professor Naresh Kumar sir, he has worked with Nirma University as a director, and he has retired as a professor at MS University of Baroda. He has been a helping hand for Gopalji Gopal, and whatever our institution does, Naresh Kumar sir always gives us his helping hand. Welcome you, sir.
It would be nice if students share his or her feedback, then sir will conclude after this thing, na?
Okay, if you feel like that, okay, then if that is the case, so students, we would like to know your feedback. What is it that you think of?
A very good evening to all respected teachers. My name is Ashwini Kumar. I am a PhD in biotechnology from NIT Raipur. My PhD was based on drug delivery systems using biopolymers. I joined this course particularly as a revision because it was a very long time I left. I was out of touch with this course, recombinant DNA technology, like almost 14 years back. So when I saw this information, I cannot think of missing this course. And I particularly feel that these 34 hours of lectures for the whole 11 day, it was a complete revision of the whole semester of RDT course. And I cannot think of any course better than this. I particularly have benefited a lot with this course. So a great thanks to Dr. Gopalji Gopal. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Ashwini. So Ashwini is working as a research associate at NIT Delhi, IIT Delhi. Am I right?
Yes, sir. I joined IIT Delhi last year, sir.
Good. Thank you. Now,
thank you, sir.
Any other participants?
Myself, Dr. Digvijay Sirana from Aribas, Vallabh Vidyanagar. I am working as assistant professor here, but my basic subject is zoology, and my main research area is animal cell culture. So, since last 5 to 6 years, with Gopalji, we had organized so many different crash courses. But since last year, Gopalji started this RDT workshop, and during my research work, I have some practical issues or problem with RDT technology because my main subject is zoology. So basically my students who had attended this particular workshop, they told me that, sir, why don't you join this particular workshop? So this time I request Gopalji to incorporate me or include as a student in this particular workshop, and last 10 days I am attending this workshop and I have cleared so many doubts related to practical approach. So thank you, Gopalji, for involve me in this particular workshop. Thank you, Gopalji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for feedback. And Dr. Digvijay Singh sir is coordinator of capacity building cell of this biotechnology, CBC biotechnology, and he is HOD of Zoology Department, Aribas. And this is not 10th day, sir. This is 11th day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So thank you. Any other participants? Sonak, Sinha Babu,
Yes,
any
sir.
other participant? Yes, please.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sonak Sanababu, and I am a MSc first year student at NIT Durgapur. So I am pursuing MSc in life sciences. So this subject of RDNA technology, this was included in our syllabus, but from the last time only I came to know about this course, but I couldn't join it last time. This time I joined it, and throughout this period of 11 days, I learned a lot. I gained a lot from sir, and especially the question answer sessions which he kept, it benefited me a lot. And it was a very interactive session, and that's how it proved to be very beneficial. I'll try to read more and uh, explore more on this topic. Sir had been very helpful throughout. So I would really like to thank sir for this opportunity.
Thank you, Sonak. Uh, any participants?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, yes, Neha.
So this is Neha Maurya. Sir, I am pursuing my post graduation in life sciences from NIT Durgapur. So this course has been like really helpful for me as well. Not only about the theory, there has been numerical sessions also that is going to help us in our competitive exams as well. And since we are not able to join the labs in our college due to this pandemic situation, there are certain experimental things that we need clarification on. So Gopalji sir has been a very helpful in clearing those things as well. And sir, as per suggestions, I would like to ask sir to like have such workshops for some other subjects also because we'll be needing clarification on other subjects apart from RDNA technology. So that is a suggestion. But overall, my experience has been really good, and I have learned a lot from sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Neha, Sonak, Asani, to make this session more interactive. Honestly, especially Asani and these people are motivating me also. They keep asking questions and replying.
Good evening, respected professors. So, myself, Sakshi Trivedi. I am right now pursuing my master's in biotechnology from Nirma University. So, when I joined this recombinant DNA technology course, it has helped me a lot to clear even the basic concepts which I thought were clear, but when they were again revised, they gave even a better and clearer idea. And the very much thing that I liked about this course was the fact that Dr. Gopalji he even explained various examples of his work during explaining some important topics like protein interactions and protein DNA interactions, which helped to clear a lot better of how we could actually troubleshoot when we are pursuing dissertation or we are going to pursue PhD in near future. So all those troubleshooting ideas and he made us think and question ourselves about different techniques. So that was a very good advantage for me. I learned a lot from it. So I would like to thank Dr. Gopalji for this course. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sakshi.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
Suchitra.
This is Suchitra Banchare. I am right now pursuing my master's in microbiology last year. Just done with the dissertation, and this course was really helpful in this corona time because in the pandemic this situation we are having this online course. It was really very much helpful, and also I got a great revision from Dr. Gopal sir. Yeah, this was my review. I felt really happy and grateful to attend your lecture.
Thank you. Please, Srivats, continue so that we can get some idea from our teacher, Dave sir or Naresh sir or Deshmukh sir.
Okay. First, thank you, Gopalji, by the way. So I would once again request our Deshmukh sir to say a few words to our participants and as well as to us. Sir, Deshmukh sir, please.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Gopalji and Director Dr. Naresh for inviting me on this very good occasion. There is a valedictory of 11 days workshop on RDT, and this is a 10th batch. So I'm very happy to see the progress of Gopalji, because it is not a progress of Gopalji, it is a progress of India. Ultimately, he has educated more than 500 students and teachers in microbiology and biotechnology from India. Now India needs a scientist. And in the biotechnology, if one has to become a scientist, RDT is a base for all research. And I'm happy to know that students are very happy in the schools. And in this batch, some students were from Nepal and some have contributed from Bangladesh. So, as already I have told, it is the success of sincere efforts of Dr. Gopalji and his team continuously. That's why today, Dr. Davi is also here, one of the very well microbiologists from Gujarat. He is today to give a blessings to you and your team. As a president of Microbiology Society, I assure you that I'm always with you for such program and any other program in life science, as well as it is my duty to wish all the best to not only to the teachers, but also to the attendee, because attendee are now learned people. So they have the knowledge of RDT and they are ambassadors now. They should percolate this knowledge in their universities, in their colleges, among their friends. And in Corona, we call it as a break the chain. Here, I will call it as a increase the chain, promote the chain. So, I'm very happy today and wish you all the best on behalf of Microbiologist Society India. And I request everyone, you can go on internet, on Google, search for Microbiologist Society India. You will get address, phone number, email ID, and I make an appeal to you to extend your hands to Microbiologist Society. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for giving the insights into what we have been to. Okay, thanks a lot. Now I request Professor Shailesh Dev, sir, to say a few words to our participants and as well as to us. Please, sir.
Good evening to all of you. I'm audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, Professor M. Deshmukh, Professor Naresh Kumar, Gopalji Gopal, and dear participants. Now, this is the 10th course Gopalji has completed. And see, the subject matter is same, what we have to say, but every time the participants are new. So definitely, got the feedback not only from this 10th batch, but when we have present in the valedictory function of the previous courses also, all the participants know they have appreciated the content what Dr. Gopalji Gopal used to teach during this course online. The common thing, every time the participants were insisting and they were be focusing more, was that Gopalji Gopal was giving the enough time for question and answer. Instead of giving only the lecture, as he was giving more time to solve the questions and queries or the point which are not clear in the mind of the participants, no, that is making his course more popular. And students or the participants, because we can't say they are all the students only, there are many participants, those who are pursuing their MSc, some of them, they are doing their PhD, and even every time we have found that one or two, the teachers are also attending. And even the teachers, those who have attended, and this time also those who have attended, they say that they are getting the benefits and they are getting the fundamentals of the rDNA technology. So once the fundamentals are clear, definitely if they want to continue some work in the field, they can. And Gopalji Gopal, as I know him, since he was a MSc student in our department, then he was pursuing his PhD from JNU. And then when he came to the Gujarat and joined various places, initially he has joined to MS University and now the institutes where he is running this course. And he has conducted many courses in Gujarat also. So not only the people of Gujarat, but when it's made the online, as we can see that every time the participants are from various states of the India, as well as they are from the Bangladesh and Nepal. I think once or twice from Sri Lanka also some participants were there. So it becomes a good platform to give the basic idea regarding the subject which is very essential nowadays for most of the biological science. And we wish all the best to Gopalji, and we also request him that he will continue for many more such courses, because online courses, there are some limitations. In each course, not many participants can participate. So we request him that he can conduct many of these courses so many people, those who want to know the basics of rDNA technology or want to know certain detail about this subject, they get the benefits. All the best to Gopalji, and best of luck to all the participants also. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, and keep blessing me.
It is always with you.
Yes, sir.
You are a good teacher's job. And being a teacher, we wish that if we are elder to you, so we are always giving blessing that you become a good teacher and provide whatever knowledge you are having to the required and participants. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for giving encouraging things. Now I request Naresh Kumar sir to say a few words to our participants and as well as to us. Sir, Naresh Kumar sir, please.
Any participants wish to share, if you have joined and if you have made your mind to share oral feedback, you can speak till Naresh Kumar sir get his connectivity, proper connectivity.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Yes, please.
Myself, Srinal Patel. I have recently completed my BSc Biotech from Veer Narmad, South Gujarat University, Surat. I'm very grateful right now to being again coming in contact of you. Last year, I have met you via GSBTM crash course that you have conducted, and it was really very helpful. To and this course is one of the best thing that I have ever done. I have literally learned so much of basic, and the way you have given the practical that examples via conducting. Um, sorry, sir. That's it. It was overall, it was best.
Not necessary to use share your feedback in English only. You can share your feedback in Hindi also, because most of our participants and our this guests are also familiar with Hindi language. So you don't hesitate. You share your feedback in Hindi also, so that you can express yourself in a good manner. Dr. Yeluru Mohan, I saw that you have joined. Are you here? Okay. Sir, now your mic is fine. Naresh Kumar, sir. Okay.
गोपाल जी सर.
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअली
Yes.
अभी आपने जो बोला है
Yes.
कि किसी को हिंदी में फीडबैक देना है तो दे सकते हैं. तो
But this time, since participants were from Nepal and Bangladesh, so I conducted in English, tried to use as maximum as possible in English.
बांग्लादेश और नेपाल दोनों जगह हिंदी अच्छा समझते हैं लोग. तो मैं क्या कहूंगा आपको, हिंदी इज आवर नेशनल लैंग्वेज. और अभी जो नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आ रही है, न्यू NEP, उसमें उन्होंने बोला है कि नेशनल लैंग्वेज को बढ़ावा देना चाहिए. तो योर सजेशन इज अ वेरी गुड. जितना हो सके, आई नो लिमिटेशन, मुझे लिमिटेशंस मालूम है, लेकिन अगर कोई बच्चा, कोई लड़की चाहती है हिंदी में फीडबैक देना, तो यू आर अलाउइंग, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड. और मैं स्टूडेंट को भी कहूंगा कि अगर किसी को हिंदी में बात करना है तो कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सर.
I request participants to stay, and I request our guest, he may leave. I don't know about Naresh Kumar sir, whether his laptop is working properly or not, but I'm thankful to Devesh sir, Deshmukh sir, and my director who has not joined due to some urgent work. And I'm thankful to my vice chancellor also, because he gives me all freedom to conduct this type of workshop without any hurdle, anything. That's why I'm able to complete this 10th batch starting from May. First batch I had conducted in May 2020, and then I have completed this 10th batch. And obviously I will keep on conducting these courses. And whenever any person, any participants need any help, I'm happy to help. And I cannot say that everybody will be satisfied 100%, but yes, I'm satisfied, and I have not tried to escape anything. I have honestly delivered, I have honestly conducted course, and I have tried to give you whatever I have learned during my PhD and a postdoc. I have completed my PhD in 6.5 years, and I did my postdoc for 2 years under DS Kothari postdoc scheme. And whatever I have observed, I tried to percolate all these things. And even in future, you can connect with me whenever you find difficulties in recombinant DNA technology, and production of recombinant protein. And in addition to that also, if you need any help, humanity based help, then also you can connect with me. If you wish to start your company, then also I will try to connect with you with proper people, appropriate person. So with this, I'm also wishing you all your great future, and I wish that you all will pursue science. With this is my few lines, and मैं हिंदी में जो बोलता हूँ कि अब सूरज ना सही दीपक तो बन ही सकते हो. If you will try to become a sun, then you may not be sun, but you can be a lamp, so that you can spread that light around you. So, surrounding people can get some light from you. You will not be responsible for andhera for any person.